Ways to make money using PLR. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Hey there, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Today we're going to be diving deeper into the world of PLR content and how it can help you make money online. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means you can purchase content, edit it, and use it as your own. It's a great way to save time and money on content creation, but it's also a great way to make money online. So how exactly can you make money with PLR content? Let's explore some options. First, PLR can be used to create lead magnets. A lead magnet is an incentive you offer in exchange for someone's email address. With PLR content, you can quickly create a free ebook or report that you can give away in exchange for someone's email address. This not only helps you grow your email list, but it also establishes you as the authority in your niche. When creating your lead magnet, be sure to choose PLR content that aligns with your niche and target audience. This will ensure that the people who sign up for your email list are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Once you have your lead magnet created, you can start promoting it on your website, social media channel, or through paid advertising. The goal is to get as many people as possible to sign up to your email list so you can continue to market to them in the future. But it's important to remember that just having a large email list isn't enough. You need to nurture your list by providing them with valuable content on a regular basis. This can include content or additional PLR content that you have customized to fit your brand and audience. By using PLR content to create lead magnets, you're not only saving time and money on content creation, but you're also building a valuable asset for your business, your email list. Second, you can use PLR content to create products to sell. This is where the real money-making potential comes in. You can take the PLR content and turn it into your own unique product to sell. For example, you can take a PLR ebook on weight loss and turn it into your own weight loss program. Or you can take a PLR course on social media marketing and turn it into your own coaching program. The key is to take PLR content and add your own unique spin to it. This could be your own personal experiences, insights, or perspectives that you bring to the content. This makes it your own and increases its value. You can sell your new product on your website, on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, or even on Amazon. By adding your own unique touch to the PLR content, you're creating a product that's truly your own and different from what anyone else is offering. This can help you stand out in a crowded market and attract more customers who are interested in what you have to offer. So take advantage of the real money-making potential of PLR content and create your own product to sell. Third, PLR content can be used to create bonus content for existing products. For example, if you're promoting an affiliate product, you can offer a bonus ebook or report as an incentive for people to buy through your affiliate link. This can increase your conversions and ultimately help you make more money. By offering valuable bonus content, you're giving people an added reason to buy through your link instead of someone else's. When choosing PLR content for your bonus, be sure to pick something that complements the product you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a course on gardening, you can offer a bonus ebook on organic gardening techniques. This adds value to the offer and can help you stand out in a crowded market. Plus, if you customize your PLR content to fit your brand and audience, it will be even more valuable to your customers. When creating your bonus content, make sure to clearly explain how to access it once someone has made a purchase through your link. This could be through an email or a download link in your website. The key is to make it as easy as possible for people to get their hands on the bonus content. By using PLR content to create bonus content for existing products, you're not only adding value to your offer, but you're also building trust and loyalty with your audience. Fourth, PLR content can be used to create content for your blog or social media channels. This can be a great way to consistently provide valuable content to your audience without spending hours researching and writing. With PLR content, you can use the existing ideas and information as a starting point and add your own unique insight and perspective to it. This allows you to quickly create high-quality content that is relevant and helpful to your audience. When choosing PLR content for your blog or social media channels, be sure to pick something that aligns with your niche and target audience. This will ensure that the content you create resonates with your followers and provides value to them. You can use the PLR content as a framework for your own blog posts or social media updates, or even use it as an inspiration for video content or live streams. The key is to add your own voice and personality to the content so it feels unique and authentic to your brand. By using PLR content to create content for your blog or social media channels, you're not only saving time and effort, but you're also able to consistently provide value for your audience. This can help you build trust and credibility with your followers and ultimately lead to more engagement, traffic, and sales for your business. And finally, you can even use PLR content to create your own membership site. You can use PLR content as a starting point for creating valuable content for your members. This can be a great way to generate recurring revenue and build a community around your brand. PLR content can be a powerful tool for your online business arsenal. Just remember to always read the license terms carefully and make sure the content is of high quality before using it. Thanks for watching. We hope this video is giving you some ideas for how you can make money with PLR content. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on product creation and online business. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below. I love answering comments. Now, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.